Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to CUBOT X70. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of CUBOT. Also on Honor, use all of those categories available at the top and pick all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And select Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!